Hello, you are welcome to my channel. Today, guys, I'll be showing you how to make Moringa hair masks for that massive hair growth, for that healthy hair growth. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to do that. Share this video, it can be of help to someone out there. Let's get into the video. Our first ingredient is moringa. That is the main ingredient we'll be using for this hair mask. As you guys know, we are making moringa hair mask for that healthy hair, for that hair growth that you desire. Okay, moringa contains a lot of vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, and E. It also contains iron and zinc. It boosts scalp health and promotes hair growth. It contains antioxidants too. Okay, and our next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of honey, and we'll be using 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of avocado seed oil. This oil is a DIY that I did on this channel. I will leave the link to this avocado seed oil in the description or somewhere in the card up here, so you check it out. Okay, you mix all these ingredients together. The honey, you guys know honey contains antioxidants. It promotes hair growth. It keeps your hair moisturized. Coconut oil keeps your hair moisturized. With olive oil, this hair mask will repair your hair. This hair mask will promote hair growth. It will give all the vitamins that your hair follicles need to promote hair growth. Okay, and the next I'll be adding 2 spoons of water. Okay, you can use room temperature water or warm water. Okay, it's okay and it's optional. Okay, I like to add it to this my hair mask. This hair mask is everything, guys. If your hair is damaged, you need this. You want hair growth, you need this. You want a shining hair, this is what you need. If you're having a gray hair, this is what you need. This moringa hair mask will stimulate the hair follicles to promote hair growth and improve the texture of your hair, and it will also prevent gray, as in your hair, not to prevent the gray hair. It will prevent dandruff. It will keep your scalp moisturizing. Most times that we have dandruff is because our scalp is dry. Okay, if you use this hair mask once a week, once in 2 weeks, okay, because I have a lot of things I'm using on my hair, and this is one of them. Okay, and I will go ahead, guys, to show you how I apply this. I just finished washing my hair. This is a hair mask you apply on your hair after washing your hair. Okay, and I went ahead to apply it on my hair, and I will show you guys how to apply it on your hair. It doesn't smell bad at all. It doesn't smell bad at all. The coconut oil, the avocado seed oil, the olive oil, all of those things with the moringa powder, they smell good. It doesn't smell bad. Okay, it doesn't smell bad. You can see, you try to apply them on your scalp. From your scalp, you take it to your hair. Okay, just watch closely. That is what I'm doing, guys. Just watch closely. You guys know my hair. Before I started natural hair, my hair was really bad. My edges were off. You can see my edges that are getting better. The back of my hair was really, 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 really bad. There was no hair at the back of my hair, and my hair was itching me. Okay, these are all the things my hair went through, and right now we are on the positive path. We are getting better and better every day. Okay, check out my other videos if you've not done that, and subscribe and follow me on this natural hair journey. I have a lot of research I've made, and I'm trying them out. It is working, guys. It is working. It is working. Okay, and these are some of the ingredients that you can get from the comfort of your home, from your kitchen. Just every ingredient in your kitchen is a potential hair mask that works well. All of them are natural. It doesn't harm your hair. Okay, but make sure you know what you're mixing. Yeah, you take it to your hair, make sure you massage it properly. Let your hair feel it. Let your hair feel these hair marks. Take it everywhere. This is the back of my hair. I will find a video of what my hair looks like and what it's looks like before and what it's looking like now. I cover it, and this is what my hair looks like before, and this is what is looking as at now that I'm using this all these hair marks. I cover my hair and I will leave it for 30 minutes. And I went ahead, guys, to use these marks on my face. Yeah. Oh, guys, sometimes all the things I use on my hair, the ones that are okay for my skin, I use them for my skin. And guys, the result was absolutely amazing. So refreshing, glowing, moisturized. Okay. And it's really looking bam, 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 bam. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Share this video with someone out there. And this is what my hair looks like after washing. Very nice, very soft. Yeah, it's natural hair, but it's very, very good. You can see I'm trying to comb it. It's so good, guys. This is so good. I'm loving my natural hair. Don't forget that we are still on the journey. We've not gotten to where we want to get to. We are getting there. See what the back of my hair looks like as at today. As at today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next. God bless you.